Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sign into CashApp. After successfully installing CashApp on your PC, open the application to access its user interface. Initially, it will request your phone number for authentication. However, if you look below, you will find an alternative use email option. Provide your email address. Now click the next button, which will trigger the sending of a verification code to your email box or your mobile number. Retype the code, input it as instructed, and then proceed to enter your password. Congratulations, you are now ready to use CashApp on your PC. However, please bear in mind that CashApp is exclusively available in United States and United Kingdom. If you find it absolutely necessary to use it outside of these regions, you may consider using a VPN in your process. However, if you are a resident of the US or the UK, then sign-in process will proceed seamlessly for you. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.